Yeah, you are scaring me, boss. Yeah.
Or die here, me at the excavators too. Ebe bubu me restaurant because me NPP ni. Paint the voice. Me raho papa. Me dia rewo na nyumre. Me dia rewo pa. Somewhere sapon. Voice.
Yes.
Me kasa free Kumasi. I had a restaurant at Ahunju Runabout. Somewhere sapon. The then KMA boss.
Yeah, you are scaring me, boss. Yeah.
Or die here, me at the excavators too. Ebe bubu me restaurant because me NPP ni. Somewhere sapon. Voice. Me come here funo me di inside me man 4. Somewhere sapon. That at that time, you know, share time 2020 Parliament divided, you know. What was the MP noir or Becca NPP whom I hear 31, 38, you know. I've forgotten the man's name.
This the second deputy speaker, no?
Yes, no. At that time, Siama, something
yeah, Siama, yeah.
Yes, at that time, you know, he led. No, yeah, okay, or no, so yeah, okay, he led Sankro excavators, you know. So he called me aside. No, say, ma, sister, call your husband. Then you call a boss. Share. I didn't where I hear me wrong. These people. But
are you happy with his death?
Mixed feelings. Seriously. I won't lie. Me in Chancellor, I have mixed feelings. When it comes to Samuel Sapon, I have mixed feelings. One name, unfortunate thing. I might be fear Hakura na railway be fear. Me back at me catchre, and this Samuel Sapon catchre, and the co school of Pokuare. Oh, my mates. Ain't it quite Besha? Videos are all sending mano. If you're on your tune, boy, and now Frank, send Frank Sapon, or send it back Ebra Mebano.
Oh,
and they are getting ready to go there tomorrow. Me, mommy, they menko hobbies yo. Someone Sapon, no yajma will be a 9. Any ye in a D, and you didn't question former serious fraud office. The now Yoko,
yeah.
Now Yoko. Any I didn't question someone Sapon, and you know my men cancer.
Yo,
and yes, someone Sapon, where did many Ankasa, someone Sapon. Where did many Yankopon funny crazy mum. But I can't forget what he did to me.
Now is the time to forget, mommy. Thank you.
I can't forget. Onyankopon fa ne crazy. Onyame besine and no me konkra se me operate restaurant. Besine what they did to me and no me conbu se me operate restaurant.
Abotre.
Somewhere Sapon. But you know
tell your sister something there.
Yeah, I know their own fanche. Me what I'm sad Dr. Omane Boama.
Dr. Omane Boama. Ne mami did baba kope.
As a medical doctor, only child. Open party do one for John MPP boy.
Mama Pans be say NDC. Auntie, finish up. Mama Pans be say
yeah, the one for sacrifice.
Yeah.
I am very sad.
The American say,
yeah,
the American say, it is not too late for the Ashanti regional minister reach out to parents now. Voice no question when you yemfa bibia anton chain. Asama esi na areho.
Oh,
areho. Uye nipa areho. But you know what? Yeti kromu ha. Ena ejusu MP free no. Captain Smart that's now on the TV station also. Kasa ya kan say MPP ye ameyokua say we ye youth now the ho kobo omo a omo bekun. Na MPP for na eku ye MP no.
comes
You
to Captain
understand?
Smart on your NDC.
He was working for NDC at that time. And someone can't, no. And discourage youth now almost do
Even now,
MPP.
he's still working for NDC.
I
Even now.
can't send Basa say yeah MPP for you would for. Stay. Me person me be so until Ghana yet the voice. Until you need gender minister or Kroma.
Oh, how's the name? The Krowo MP, meaning very, very close.
And at 16, and Kuala 16 woo bogu. Up till now, even the Shanti regional minister, Obia Mekashe, the MC ya or what that side obogu, one kwa. Kromu of one mutu or mamana and omusi or madishie. Now yet no man we yesa. Up till now, regional minister on utter word, MCE or bogu on utter word or bianca saye, someone sapon and unfortunately what we yes first vice chairman of Ashanti region nobody not even from the government, not even from the party or bianca she besine na yetna oma wemu eyesa yetna ha Ghana ha yetna oma wemu yesa. I understand say one woman out of Nkwala 16 no ono dem ma 4 voice 4. I'm very sad. I'm say we ye oba tan enye oba nko a we ye oba ma na wo ma
Mami 4 ma you say another helicopter so make emergency land in our Jumako. Okay.
I see. Yo,
and
Auntie, can you consider?
Bako, mame bako nema 4. And I can't 16 who are and yet you say either the mother will need counseling, therapy, and now day or bianca she. And it's your my way. Share it's the country worth dying for? Is it worth dying for? Share minister, defense, a whole defense minister. Yenya body bag. I'm fanantum. Yenya body bag. Adansia Krofom is not far from Obuase. Obuase Hospital. Obuase GC 11 Hospital. Omunya body bag. Enya far from the place. Yenya body bag. I'm for dead bodies, you know, and womb. I mean, how Coco sack and a so crofo and a young military men omu video that was very unprofessional. How?
And even carried by civilians. The people were being carried by civilians, not military men.
How? What happened to us as a nation? What is happening? What is happening? NDC for just say why? I don't know more on mine. No, just say 10 beyond a bridge here a bogana. 10 beyond more oyenesi on my way. Me mama nyina ya akode ene abusuafo, especially Omane Buama. Omane Buama is the only child of the mother. The mother is alive. Ewo Koforidia as I speak. Ne maami no ye adwuma wo Lands Commission. Omane Buama.
Oh, okay.
Omane Buama is just 53 years. Oya makwala.
Oh.
Omane Buama is just 53 years.
And medical doctor, open.
Yes.
NDC. Akwame ya sacrifice so as a medical doctor.
I mean, it's not too late. They should reach out to them. And this idea, now omo mayati say NDC form far asante for. I'm telling you, this is sad, and I'm really sad.
Oh, how I felt.
I am really, 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 really sad.
Please take her.
And kwalao. Kwalangetua. Mame bako ne ma for omo nyina. And nobody has said anything to these people. Now, Omanebu Amanimu who yadie. Ghana for nyina yemuada. Nobody should eat, right? We should fast, right? We should fast. Because omo ye ministers. Esa nkwala no so ye nkrofo adehye o. Omo ye nkrofo adehye o. Omo ye nkrofo ma o. Some of them, their parents, Kosha Papa for Yesu. That boy Evans, no, boy now already 25 years, no. They Papa don't no obedient in control, no. Me uncle sa me yare, but me too ka Kosha adie. Me Kosha adie keke. Aye bad, aye bad. I wish them just say me. I don't know what to say, but me mama yako. Me mind this for nyina yako. Me magana for nyina yako, but it's about time my NDC for ehunu say owo ye nyina ye de owo ka o. Enyo ba ko for and owo visit no. Enyo NPP for nko na owo visit yen. NDC so atorenchem etimi to omo. Ebi na to omo. Voice man no si.